नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ शामे गाना। मैं हूं माधवी बतूला। आज की तारीख है 5 जून 2020। शाम के 8 बजे हैं। यह है a weekly episode of Shame Gana where we bring you an evening of entertainment, 1 hour special where our very talented guest participants give us a pleasurable time. Well, the week has been very, very exciting. A lot of things are happening around. Of course, I'm not going to give you a rundown about what happened around the world, but today's good news. How did that happen? Well, let's see. Unemployment rate surprisingly declines to 13.3%. And of course, what does that do? Dow climbs more than 800 points after May's better than expected job reports. Now, if you have to talk about how did that happen, well, that's a long discussion. Well, this week also brought lots of ups and downs in our lives, and we are hoping that majority of you are doing the well of health and in being. We wanted to congratulate our very talented singers, their birthdays. Of course, SPB ESP Balasubramaniam celebrated his 75th birthday. Ilayaraja, the maestro, celebrated his 77th birthday. And of course, Mani Ratnam Sahab celebrated his 64th birthday. We want to wish them a very, very happy birthday. Well, as I said, there's ups and downs. Our hearts and thoughts are also with all the families who have been affected by the riots across the United States. And from the Hindi film industry, music industry, we had a major loss. We lost our very talented music director, Wajid Khan, and yesterday we lost the very talented director, Basu Chatterjee, to old age. Well, like I said, this is Shame Gana. I'm Madhvi Patula. We have lots in store this evening. We are joined today by Dr. Tushar Patel. A very good evening to him. And of course, our participants, our special guests who are going to entertain this evening are Sunita Kapoor. And should I say she needs no introduction? That itself is a big introduction. When you say that somebody doesn't need introduction, they are so popular, so well known, and of course, their talent speaks for all. She's been a vocal guru, composer, ghazal singer, classical singer, Bollywood music singer, TV host for over 3 decades, and she's lent her voice in numerous films, record labels, TV, radio, theater, and traveled worldwide. And we are so happy and thankful that she took time out today to entertain and, give us that moment of, drift where we feel that everything is going to be okay soon. She's also joined by her very talented and gorgeous daughters. Two of her daughters are joined this evening. We will get to know them as we meet them, Prashasti and Palakshi. Let me say a big good evening to all three of them, starting with Sunita. Hi, Sunita, how are you this evening?
Hi, Madhvi. I'm doing very, very well. And thank you for the very sweet introduction. That was very sweet of you. It's absolute pleasure to be here. Tushar bhai, I know, is a very, very big music lover. थोड़ा बहुत वो भी गाते हैं, अच्छा गाते हैं, बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं actually. तो जब उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया तो it was absolutely, there was no reason to say no. It's absolutely my pleasure to be here today.
लॉकडाउन का समय कैसे बीत रहा है? आप तो संगीत प्रेमी हैं, संगीत आपके साथ है 24 घंटे, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ ऐसे पल होंगे जब आप कुछ और भी करती होंगी?
करती तो बहुत कुछ हूँ, ज़्यादातर तो म्यूज़िक ही करती हूँ। म्यूज़िक में ही बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स होते हैं। टीचिंग इज़ वन पार्ट ऑफ इट, बट खुद का रियाज भी होता है और बहुत कुछ होता है। रियाज तो कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होता, राइट? सीखना तो हमेशा ज़िंदगी भर का होता है। सो वो है। फिर कंपोजिंग करती हूँ। I do like to go for walks and exercise. Well, the gyms are closed right now. तो बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रही हूँ। अब वो कॉलेज से वापस आ गए हैं, छुट्टियाँ हैं, तो doing that, cooking, stuff like that, and introspection. I think all of us have been introspecting a lot, and I think a lot of things have fallen into place.
ओके, आपने कहा कि बच्चे कॉलेज से वापस आ गए, तो चलिए आप थोड़ा सा अपनी बेटियों का इंट्रोडक्शन भी दीजिए, प्रशस्ति एंड पलक्षी. व्हाट ब्यूटीफुल नेम्स दे हैव.
Thank you. It was just very simple. Sunita is like the most common name ever. And, we were three sisters, Sunita, Savita, and Sangeeta, and my mom was Sarita. So we asked her that, why did you give us such names? And she was like, sab rhyme karte the, aur un dino fashion tha. So because we had such common names, we thought, so we actually did a lot of research. प्रशस्ति का मतलब है जो रास्ता दिखाती है, जो पाथ दिखाता है, और पलक्षी का मतलब pure.
Wonderful. Of course, let's say good evening to our very own Dr. Tushar Patel. How are you this evening, Dr. Tushar? क्या हाल है, चाल है आपके?
Good evening, Madhvi. Thank you so much, Indus TV and PGA, for this wonderful evening, Shame Gana. Madhuri, thank you so much. This is our 10th week actually. And we are so fortunate that Sunita Kapoor, one of the Bollywood singer, is with us this evening with her two talented daughters. So this evening is going to be a super special for me and everyone else who are joined this evening.
Absolutely. So, कहिए आप कुछ कह रहे हैं?
नहीं, thank you.
जी हाँ, तुषार जी और मैंने दोनों ने समझ लिया है कि इशारा हमारे लिए काफी है कि भाई सुनीता कपूर जी हैं, तो द माइक इज ऑल हर्स. सुनीता जी, आप कहाँ से शुरुआत कर रहे हैं? कौन से गाने से? क्या गाने के बारे में कुछ बताइए. व्हाट इज योर प्लान दिस इवनिंग?
मैं गाना चाह रही हूँ लता जी. वी ऑलवेज बीन इंस्पायर्ड बाय हर. हम आई थिंक जो भी बॉलीवुड से ताल्लुक रखते हैं एक गाने से, डेफिनेटली शी इज़ एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर ऑल. सो आशा जी एंड लता जी ऑफ कोर्स. तो मैं शुरू करना चाहूँगी लता जी का गाया हुआ नगमा, कल्याण, ये लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल जो हैं जी, उनका कंपोज किया हुआ फिल्म श्योर. I just love this song very much because when I toured with them, and I toured a lot with Lakshmikant Pyarelal ji, been honored to. तो ये गाना मैं वहाँ पे गाती थी और ओपन करती थी अपना जो शो था. So I'd like to talk about, this song talks about life and love and togetherness, and which is what we all need at this point, I think, really a lot. So it goes out to all of you.
जिंदगी
खूबसूरत गाने से शुरुआत हुई है आज की शाम, शामे गाना विद सुनीता कपूर जी एंड हर टू गॉर्जियस डॉटर्स। अभी डॉटर्स का इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ है, उनसे मुलाकात थोड़ी ही देर में होगी। इस फिल्म के बारे में खास बात यह है कि इतनी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग्स, एवरीबॉडी लव्स टू सिंग दिस सॉन्ग, बट आई हैव हर्ड दिस वर्जन इन द वॉइस ऑफ सुनीता कपूर जी एंड इट इज giving goosebumps because the lyrics are so touching and so too connected to all of us today. And ये गाने के बारे में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कहूंगी, लेकिन ये कहूंगी कि फिल्म फेयर बेस्ट एडिटिंग अवार्ड टू मनोज कुमार साहब इन दिस मूवी। सुनीता जी, आपने ये गाने की जो शुरुआत की है, that has given us a glimpse of what a beautiful evening it's gonna be. Please go ahead with your next pick.
Thank you Madhvi, thank you so much. And अब जैसे सुनने वाले हैं तो और मजा आता है। And Asha Bhosle ji, she has been my idol for the longest time, ever since I've actually started hearing music. तो उन्हीं का गाया हुआ नगमा, and मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँगी नहीं because we have 1 hour and बहुत कुछ पेश करना है। तो आशा भोसले जी का गाया हुआ नगमा मैं चाहूँगी कि आप सभी मेरा साथ दें क्लैप करके।
the unmistakable O.P. Nair साहब मेरे सनम फिल्म से गाना पिक किया सुनीता कपूर जी ने। जी हाँ, इंट्रोडक्शन की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, सुनीता कपूर नाम ही काफी है. And this is a beautiful evening, Shame Gana. We want to welcome all the people who are just joining us on Zoom as well as on Facebook Live. This is Indus TV's presentation along with PGA. I am joined by Dr. Tushar Patel, Sunita Kapoor and her wonderful daughters. Sunita ji, आपके बारे में और क्या कहें? You sing in so many Indian languages and your masters in Indian classical music. आप इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए. कब से आपने गाना शुरू किया? I mean, when did you feel that, this is what I want to pursue?
Well, I've always loved music, and I think मैंने actually पिछले टाइम जब मैंने live एक YouTube live किया था कुछ समय पहले, actually अपने students and all के लिए किया था, तो it was a lot of fun. तो I just spoke about that a bit, but it's basically हम लोग इंडिया में जो पैदा हुए हैं, our main source of music was radio. तो विविध भारती की विज्ञापन सेवा जो बॉम्बे में होती थी, and विज्ञापन ऐसे बीच में ads बजते थे, तो that was my first what do you say inspiration. लता जी, आशा जी, किशोर दा, उनके गाने सुन के बड़े हुए, सारा टाइम रेडियो बजता रहता था, तो गाना गाती थी. and my mom realized, and my parents are doctors, like medical doctors, तो वो चाहते तो थे कि हम चारों बच्चे जो हैं डॉक्टर्स बने, लेकिन फिर as we grow up we all get our own interests and stuff. तो मम्मी ने एक्चुअली टीचर्स लगवाए थे, आते थे जाते थे, और उसी से थोड़ा थोड़ा सीख के कॉलेज में गई. तो I realized that this is what I want to do, because even though I was studying science, intercollegiate competitions में भाग लेना शुरू किया और वहाँ पे prizes जीतना शुरू किया. वहीं से फिर मुझे था कि नहीं, बस गाना सुनती थी तो कुछ हो जाता था, जैसे कुछ अलग सा, कुछ जुनून सा हो जाता था. तो of course education and all complete किया, लेकिन फिर भी साथ में विशारद भी किया. And I was lucky, I was noticed by, because I was in Bombay, I was noticed by Anu Malik and people from the industry, and then I got a break into the industry because of that.
Awesome. रेडियो ने जो आपको इंस्पायर किया with all the singers and the music, आपकी बेटियों को आपने इंस्पायर किया. पलक्षी एंड प्रशस्ति से हम तो मिलने के लिए बेताब हैं, लेकिन आप बताइए कि what's the next plan? What are you planning next?
I mean, I can call them actually, I can call them, and then we can have them sing something, and then we can take it from there. I think we can mix it up a bit. That'll be cool, right?
Whatever makes you comfortable. It is the Aurora house today.
All right. So, do you want to introduce them? I can call them, and then we do one song together, and then after that we'll take it from there.
Sure.
So, Prashasti and Palakshi, welcome. Okay.
Let's say a big hello to Prashasti and Palakshi. They look like twins from this distance. Now I think Mama can help us. Okay, आप अपने बारे में बताइए. Let's start with Palakshi.
I'm studying in undergrad right now, and I've been singing for a while. Got to learn from my mom, so it's really special, and it's something I really enjoy doing.
Awesome. And Prashasti?
Hi.
आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Yeah, absolutely. First of all, thank you so much for having us tonight. It's so amazing, and I know it's a very difficult time for a lot of people to be stuck inside, and this is a really great way to have everybody connected. So my name is Prashasti. I am the older of the two, not by much. So yeah, you can notice our difference because I'm slightly taller.
But you made your point.
Yeah, so I have also been learning from our mom, and we started at the age of 3. And I also went on to study music in high school, at a performing arts high school. I also minored in music in undergrad, and I really enjoy singing, both Indian classical as well as American music, and have been composing some of my own music. That's in English for now. But,
Awesome. We'll get to know more about both of you, and of course all the hidden talents too. So Sunita ji, क्या कहते हैं आप? What's the next?
So मैं उनके साथ actually जब ये छोटे थे तो ये गाना आया था. It was a Shreya Ghoshal song, and छोटे थे लेकिन उन्होंने सीख लिया था. तो I'm going to just revise some old memories, और हम थोड़ा सा वो गाना गाएंगे. बहुत लंबा है लेकिन आधा करके थोड़ा सा. मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोल मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरी ढोल मेरे प्यार की सांसों में तेरी सरगम है रात दिन जिंदगी मेरी तो कुछ ना अब तेरे बिन सांसों में तेरी सरगम है रात दिन जिंदगी मेरी तो कुछ ना अब तेरे बिन धड़कनों की सरगोशी मेरी धड़कनों में बजती है मेरी जान तेरी क्या होगी ख्वाहिश तेरी सजती है मेरे ख्याल में हर पल तेरे ख्याल शामिल है लंबी जुदाइयों वाली मुश्किल बड़ी मुश्किल है तुम भी मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरी
काफी लोग जानते हैं कि लता मंगेशकर जी जब भी वो गाती हैं वो शी डजंट वेयर एनी चप्पल्स, वो नंगे पैर गाती हैं बिकॉज वो इतना रिस्पेक्ट करती। और मैं जब भी कोई भी म्यूजिकल प्रोग्राम सुनती हूँ घर से या फिर कोई ऐसी महफिल हो जहाँ कंफर्ट फैक्टर ज्यादा हो, आई प्रेफर सिटिंग ऑन द फ्लोर, यू नो, क्रिस क्रॉस एप्पल सॉस। आप पूछेंगे क्यों? क्योंकि कोई इतना झूमता हुआ गाना जिसमें बहुत कुछ हो, कहीं मैं गिर ना जाऊं, इस डर से मैं नीचे बैठती हूँ। And of course, Bhool Bhulaiya se jo gana aap, you know, it's a triple whammy here. What a wonderful presentation by the Aroras, Mama, and of course the daughters Prashasti and Palakshi. We are joined by Sunita Kapoor ji, Prashasti Arora, Palakshi Arora, and Dr. Tushar Patel this evening on Sham E Gana. Wonderful, wonderful. You want to say something about it, girls?
Thank you so much. We love this song so much. We love Shreya Ghoshal. She's probably one of the biggest inspirations for anyone who's ever heard of her. She instantly becomes an inspiration. So we really, really love this song and all of the songs that she has. It's really all we can say.
That's true. Absolutely.
That's lovely. Sunita Kapoor ji ke saath Sham Ek Gana, and this is just the beginning, friends, and lots in store. Sunita ji, क्या कहते हैं next?
Since the girls are here, I'll request them to sing a new song. Since हम थोड़े से नए गाने गा रहे हैं, तो एक medley जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Actually, just as they love Shreya Ghoshal, I think Arijit is another big rage, and all the young kids. And actually, we love him too. He's a fabulous singer, absolutely. So Arijit Singh का एक medley ये लोग गाते हैं और इन्हें बहुत पसंद है. तो maybe they could do that for the younger crowd. I know I can see some of my younger students there also online. So maybe they could do that, girls. Yeah. Okay. And then if there are any requests, please let us know. मेरे पास तो बहुत गाने हैं, हम लोग रात भर गा सकते हैं, लेकिन आपका जो request हो, and माधवी जी और तुषार भाई अगर आप देख रहे हैं तो मुझे इतनी दूर से दिख नहीं रहा actually.
We'll definitely convey that.
जी, okay.
Thank you.
तेरे बिना
Thank you.
That's lovely. Prashasti Arora, Palakshi Arora, joined by Sunita Kapoor, their mother here. Sunita ji, आपने इतने सारे concerts किए हैं, and you know, live concert का मजा ही अलग है. As an artist, what is the biggest kick is a live concert. This is a time of lockdown. We don't know what things are going to be, how things are going to turn up, and of course, they're going to go towards the better. So, as an artist, आपको इस वक्त क्या feel हो रहा है?
As an artist,
हाँ जी.
performance wise बहुत मतलब खाली खालीपन लग रहा है. And the reason why हम you know हमने live करना शुरू किया है virtually, actually very lucky actually कि हम कर पा रहे हैं. अगर ये कुछ 10 साल या 15 साल पहले होता तो it would have not been possible. So I think it's really wonderful, and you know आए दिन हर हफ्ते कोई ना कोई आप जैसे बहुत अच्छे, I mean it's wonderful. You guys are doing a wonderful job actually. I should have mentioned that before कि आप बहुत अच्छा मतलब 10 हफ्ते से आप कर रहे हैं लगातार, and you know you're inspiring people to come and to sit together and to listen to music. Audience तो है ही, लेकिन हम जैसे आर्टिस्ट हैं हमें चाहिए कि audience मिले, अच्छे सुनने वाले मिले. तो थोड़ा सा तो लगता ही है, लेकिन because of a platform like yours and you know other platforms, it's wonderful to be able to connect. सिर्फ एक चीज़ हम मिस कर रहे हैं, and पूछिए क्या?
क्या
वो जो हम जो गाते हैं ना वो सीटियाँ, हाँ जी सीटियाँ.
सीटियाँ और तालियां हमें कमेंट्स के द्वारा पता चल जाती हैं कि वो हमारी सीटियाँ और तालियां हैं. जी हाँ, बजाते रहिए तालियां और सीटी बजाते रहिए. You know, in this entire conversation here, what we were trying to also get in is that, of course, there is so much of negativity around, but there are also a lot of positive things that we need to focus on. Technology has been a big boon at a time like this. We have to use the technology in a very positive manner, see that the right message gets across. And we are bringing people together to encourage, motivate them. And for all the people who are just joining in, you're watching Shame Gana on Facebook Live and also on Zoom. I'm Madhvi Batula. This evening I'm joined by the very talented Sunita Kapoor with her daughters Palakshi Arora and Prashasti Arora, and of course our very own Dr. Tushar Patel. आपकी कोई गाने की suggestions, request हो, तो Sunita Kapoor ji is very kind enough to say that she is definitely going to take care of them. Sunita, mic is yours.
जी ओके. तो ये जो है मैंने एक्चुअली मेंशन किया था कि कुछ गज़ल कुछ सूफ़ी, खैर उसके लिए तो लाइव म्यूज़िक चाहिए होता है, उसी में मज़ा आता है. लेकिन एक जो गीत है जगजीत सिंह साहब का, and I've had the fortune of actually sharing a stage with him. Just a wonderful human being and a fabulous singer, of course. मतलब हम क्या कहें. तो जगजीत जी और चित्रा जी का गाया हुआ नगमा एंड मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Reminds me of बचपन and बचपन की यादें. तो I would like to present this for you. और अगर आपको लगा है कि बहुत कुछ स्लो हो रहा है और आपके लिए, तो आप प्लीज़ मुझे रिक्वेस्ट करें. हम कुछ और गा लेंगे, लेकिन these are some of my favorite songs. तुषार भाई, looks like you want to say something.
क्या जानू सजन की फरमाइश आई है?
वो कब से आ रही है वो?
सुनीता कपूर जी गा रही है और उस गाने की फरमाइश ना हो, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
ये शायद जरूर कोई स्टूडेंट ही होगा मेरा, जिसने पहले भी क्या जानू सजन होती है क्या गम की शाम जल उठी सो दिए जब लिया तेरा नाम क्या जानू सजन. अब ट्रैक नहीं था मेरे पास, तो जो भी है आपकी नजर लीजिए. और कुछ है, और कोई फरमाइश है? Since I'm at it.
We'll get to that. You're ready with the next song, है ना?
ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझको लौटा धन्यवाद।
क्या याद दिला दिया आपने वो वक्त। सुनीता could definitely relate to what I'm saying. I'm not sure about her daughters, but कभी ना कभी मम्मी ने ये बात तो बताई होगी. From the generation that we come, we've had cassettes where we used to listen to cassettes, and every cassette had two particular movies that would go hand in hand. Example, Rajnigandha and Akhiyon ke Jhonke se एक गाना आता था, हमें पता है उसके बाद कौन सा गाना आने वाला है. निकाह and फाकिजा या फिर उमरा जाओ, ये कॉम्बिनेशन में आता था. उसी तरह ये जब गाना हम जब सुन रहे हैं तो immediately the other song that comes to our mind is चिट्ठी आई है. So I think that goes in sync with both of them. Just a thought of them. So सुनीता जी बताइए कि अगला गाना कौन सा आपने पिक किया है?
अगला गाना कुछ क्लासिकल सुनना चाहेंगे?
Why not?
Okay. तो ये जो नगमा है ये एक्चुअली गाया गया है लता जी और रफ़ी साहब का. And मुझे मालूम नहीं है कि it has been sung the last 10 days or not, but this is one of it's a classic. It's from the film Swarna Sundari, black and white movie थी, हम पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे तब. लेकिन गाना जो है थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, लेकिन खास गाना है because इस एक ही गीत में 4 अलग-अलग रागों की झलकी पाई जाती है. तो सोनी से शुरू होता है और यमन पे एंड करता है. So if you guys are up to it, I will sing this for you.
राज रे बादरिया को शाम
Valkyrie, Shringaras.
It was a home run, Sunita. This song for me personally, आपने मुझे अपनी family की याद दिला दी, and there were a lot of family members who were involved with this movie. The Telugu version, of course, was Hai Hai Ga Sagenu. Swarna Sundari first was released in Telugu and then in Tamil and then in Hindi. In fact, Lata Mangeshkar ji had requested that this movie should not be dubbed but should be remade in Hindi. And this is the only movie where Akkineni Nageswar Rao and Anjali Devi acted in Hindi. Beautiful. आप तालियों की बात कर रहे थे.
Thank you so much. धन्यवाद. आप जैसे सुनने वाले मिले और क्या चाहिए मुझे? My day is made at least. And इतना knowledge actually, Madhvi ji, I have not heard this version, and you know जो knowledge है आपकी, इस बारे में मैं जानती नहीं थी इस फिल्म के बारे में. So thank you for sharing it. I'm sure the viewers would not have known about this either.
जब classic pick की बात होती है तो classical songs का एक अलग ही position होता है, and आपने बहुत ही combination में गाना आज में सुनाया. Thank you to everybody who's joining in to Shame Gana. This is the 10th week of presentation and back to back. ये हफ्ते ये दिन कैसे बीतते चले जा रहे हैं हमें पता ही नहीं चल रहा. But we also want to give special thanks to our participants and singers like Sunita Kapoor and her daughters who are here this evening, who've taken time to entertain us. Sunita, what's next on your platter?
मैं सोच रही थी, actually, do you guys have time? Looks like time is up right now.
Time का क्या है? Time है.
Sunita ji, we have about 20 minutes.
We have 20 minutes, so that's enough.
Yes.
Okay, I had thought it was 1 hour. But I would do a couple of lines requests. I know one of my students from Australia. He's been messaging that please can you sing a couple of lines of the song, so maybe out to you guys in Australia. And कुछ अगर आप कहना चाहें तो मैं 2-4 requests कुछ lines गा सकती हूँ. तो here this song goes out to the Australians. तुम संग जन्म जन्म की फेरी भूल गए क्यों साजन मेरे, तड़पत हूँ मैं सांझ सवेरे, ओ आजा रे मैं तो कब से खड़ी इस पार, ये अखियाँ थक गई पंथ निहार, आजा रे परदेसी. थैंक यू प्रशस्ति.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सब खुशल मंगल हैं. एक और रिक्वेस्ट है,
तुझसे नाराज भी है.
तुझसे नाराज 2 लाइन गा सकती हूँ.
हाँ जी जरूर.
I'm a huge Pancham Da fan, everybody knows that. जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं, कर्ज उतारने होंगे. जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं, दर्द संभालने होंगे. मुस्कुराए तो मुस्कुराने के कर्ज उतारने होंगे. मुस्कुराऊं कभी तो लगता है जैसे होठों पे कर्ज रखा है. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी, हैरान हूँ मैं, ओ हैरान हूँ मैं, तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं, ओ परेशान हूँ मैं, ओ परेशान हूँ मैं.
जीने के लिए सोचा नहीं था कभी कि जूम सेशन करना पड़ेगा. परेशान तो अब इस वक्त कोई नहीं है, हैरान है कि टेक्नोलॉजी ने हमें कहां से कहां पहुंचा दिया. और ऐसे शाम हर फ्राइडे 8 बजे here with Indus TV and PGA. I'm Madhvi Batula. This evening we are joined by Dr. Tushar Patel, Sunita Kapoor, and of course her lovely daughters. Sunita, I think the requests are just pouring in. I will leave the platter to you and you could make a pick as to what you want to sing next. So
माधवी जी,
आप प्रशस्ति और पलक्षी के रिक्वेस्ट पे गाना कर रहे हैं?
नहीं एक्चुअली माधवी जी आपके बारे में पूछना चाह रही थी. आप अपने बारे में 2 लाइन तो बताइए, because I'm sure nobody's interviewed you here. So we'd like to know some more about you.
You put me on the spot.
No, seriously, we'd love to know more about you. You speak so beautifully, so you know.
Very kind, thank you. I will leave it to the end of the session. अभी तो platform आपका है, where people are waiting to listen to you. I will definitely answer that question. Thank you.
All right, so what I'm going to do is मैं गुजराती में 4 लाइन गाऊंगी because गुजराती के फरमाइशें थी. Some people have been sending requests for गुजराती गाना. तो it's a very beautiful, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. हम लोग गरबा टाइम में गाते हैं लेकिन है तो वो प्रहरी. चूड़ी छे मारी आखड़ी, ओ तारा वेरा वेराण लागिया रातड़ी, बाट चूड़ी छे मारी आखड़ी. रे कान्हा हूँ तने चाहूँ, हूँ तने चाहूँ, जन्म जन्म निभाला हूँ तोरी दासी, जन्म जन्म निभाला हूँ तोरी दासी, हूँ ब्रजबाला तुझो वैकुंठ वासी. जुए छे मारी आखड़ी रे कान्हा हूँ तने चाहूँ
एक तीर और कई निशाने। इस गाने से आपने सबको तो खुश कर दिया, कान्हा जी ने हमारा दिल जीत लिया और आपने डॉक्टर तुषार पटेल को इमोशनल कर दिया।
Luckily, Sunita ji was part of our ISEF NJ Garba in October 2019. We had privilege to listen to her for almost 4 or 5 hours. So privileged. Thank you.
Thank you. It was my pleasure. Absolutely. हम लोग इंडिया में बॉम्बे में grew up in Bombay of course and वहाँ पे जब छोटे थे तो गरबा खेलने जाते थे रात भर गरबा खेलते थे फ्रेंड्स के साथ में फैमिलीज के साथ में and then when I started singing professionally of course because in Bombay में रह के the reason why I sang Gujarati was कि बॉम्बे में रह के आप हर लैंग्वेज बोल सकते हैं सुन सकते हैं so cosmopolitan so Gujarati Marathi Punjabi Sindhi name it and actually some South Indian languages too so also entering into the industry I've had the honor, actually the privilege, because it's so wonderful that you work with so many different music directors, a lot of regional films. So कई गाने गाए अलग-अलग लैंग्वेजेस में, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब हम रिकॉर्डिंग करने जाते थे तो लिरिसिस्ट से पूछते थे कि भाई हम ठीक प्रोनाउंस तो कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, तलफ़ुज़ बहुत ज़रूरी होता है गाने में. तो
the language of love is music. Any language is permitted.
So right. और Telugu?
Of course, why not? We have Sindhi viewers also requesting for Sindhi song.
Sindhi भी
Telugu or Sindhi हो जाए.
చిన్ని చిన్ని ఆశ చిన్నదని ఆశ ముత్తు ముత్తు ఆశ ముత్యమంత ఆశ జాబిలిని తాకి ముద్దులెడ ఆశ వెన్నెలకు తోడై ఆడుకోను ఆశ చిన్ని చిన్ని ఆశ చిన్నదని ఆశ. जी बस थोड़ा गाऊंगी, आई नो समय बहुत कम है.
जी हाँ.
Was it Sindhi?
Yeah, Sindhi.
सिंधी तो जो बहुत पॉपुलर है, वो जो सभी गाते हैं, सभी सुनते हैं. जी. ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालड़, ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालड़, सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शहबाज कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दम दम दे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर. ओ लाल मेरी, ओ लाल मेरी. जी ओके.
वाह, क्या बात है. Any artist, when they're on the stage, and especially when they say that they can sing in multiple languages or they can converse or say a dialogue in different languages, there's always a request for many languages to be, presented there. You had the opportunity to meet so many legends in the industry. What was your fangirl moment that will stay with you forever?
Fangirl moment was when I was singing. I remember it was in the Oberoi Towers. Huge banquet halls में वो लोग वहाँ पे shows होते थे अच्छे से, seats लगा के, समझ लो 500-600 लोग, private functions but beautiful. And उसमें Asha ji sitting right in the front, and I'm like Asha ji's biggest fan and everybody knows that, nobody bigger than me. So वो सामने बैठी हुई थी और सुन रही थी, और मैंने खैर उनका गाना तो मैंने जुर्रत नहीं की कि मैं उनका ही गाना गाऊँ, that is just not done. तो मैंने लता जी का कोई गाना गाया, कोई पुराना गाना, because that was a request. जब नीचे आई तो पहली बार मुलाकात, I must have been in my early 20s, और उनसे मुलाकात किसी ने इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया कि ये सुनीता कपूर हैं और ये गाती हैं and stuff. And she was so wonderful. I still remember that white and the printed sari that she had worn, and she smiled, dimpled smile, and उन्होंने बोला मुझे बहुत अच्छा गाया तुमने, and her voice is so sweet. अगली बार देखना, ये म्यूजिशियन है ना, ये बड़े नटखट होते हैं, शैतान होते हैं, कभी कभी बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से बजाते हैं, तो ज़रा चेक कर लिया करो पहले से. So, and I was of course, I was like a like a newcomer, and करती थी shows, लेकिन आशा जी herself और वो मुझे कह रही है कि तुमने अच्छा गाया, and I think that's what inspired me कि अगर अच्छा नहीं होता है तो वो कुछ नहीं बोलती, because she's known to be like really blunt. She would be like not saying. So that was my fangirl moment, and I can never ever forget that.
Seems like, Sunita, you're hiding something from us, because you were definitely a very talented singer. I mean, there's nothing more to add to that, but then to just clap every time that you sing. But आप थोड़ी बहुत mimicry भी कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि आपने जब आशा जी के बारे में कहा, उन्होंने जिस तरह से कहा, I felt that you could mimic her also very well.
थोड़ा but नहीं.
All the world's a stage. William Shakespeare का जो pastoral comedy है, As You Like It. But all of us are characters here, and we also have our own time and limitations. So अगर वक्त की बात करें, it's 9:11. So let's ask Sunita what she's planned for the next couple of minutes for us.
Next couple of minutes, actually, my girls, please come. We had actually planned to do something upbeat for you guys, so that we'll leave you on a high. I was going to do जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, because I personally love that song a lot. लेकिन मैं सोच रही थी बच्चों को भी बुला लूँ और कुछ अपबीट हो जाए. आप लोग अपने घरों में अपने सीट पे उठ के डांस कर सकते हैं, मे बी. तो no? Okay. So I'm going to do one antra of जब कोई बात, and then after that we will end in 2 minutes. This goes out to all you lovely people for sitting and listening and watching. आप घरों में हैं तो आप उठ के sway कर सकते हैं. Tushar bhai, we need to thank somebody else. That's right. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम मेरा साथ मेरा वो हमनवा. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम मेरा साथ मेरा वो हमनवा. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारी सिवा. तुम मेरा साथ मेरा वो हमनवा. तुम मेरा साथ मेरा वो हमनवा. चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ. ओ चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना
या ना साथ दे। शामे गाना आपके साथ है हर फ्राइडे 8 बजे, 8 से 9 के कुछ पल तक। जी हाँ, kind presentation of Indus TV and PGA. I am Madhvi Batula, and this evening I'm joined by Sunita Kapoor, Prashita and Palakshi, and Dr. Tushar Patel also. Before we sign off, of course, we have one final song and the Dhamal, and I promised Sunita ji that I would answer a question कि मैं अपने बारे में कुछ कहूँ। आज तक किसी ने मुझसे सवाल ही नहीं किया। I think she found that out very well. Well, what do I introduce myself? That I'm an artist myself. I've been behind the mic since the age of 10, and I've been doing debates and primarily been a radio jockey for close to 25 years. A news presenter, I do script writing, direction, and production. And most of the time you will see me on the streets helping people. That's a little introduction about myself.
That's so wonderful.
Thank you. You've been very kind to ask that question. I really appreciate that, Sunita. Really appreciate that. Thank you.
There's so much of work which goes at the back because we work backstage as well, so we know how much goes on. And you know, जब तक host अच्छा नहीं हो, program अच्छा हो ही नहीं सकता है.
Coming to that very note that you just mentioned, every Friday it's been a little tough for me because I just come in front of the Zoom just about 10-15 minutes before. So how I'm rushing here, I'm not sure. And I'm always telling Dr. Tushar Patel, आज मैं कर पाऊंगी, कैसे कर पाऊंगी, लेकिन कर देंगे किसी ना किसी तरह, और हो जाता है. And 99% of the time, I'm not aware of what the presenter is presenting, because I like to keep the suspense and the surprise to myself too, because every reaction matters to the artist, you know. It comes from the bottom of your heart. So that's where it is, the genuine presentation of Shame Gana, kind presentation of Indus TV and PGA. So Sunita, let's get to the final Dhamal number that you have saved for the last.
Yes, and so this song is, it's been sung originally by my friends actually, Sonu Nigam, Mahalakshmi Iyer, Alisha Ji. I've worked with her, but she's obviously from the other generation, but all these wonderful people that I know and I've worked with, and fabulous artists. So my girls, you know, we do this on stage sometimes, actually they do it more than me, but I love the song. So I'm going to call them. Guys, come.
साथ आज की शाम बहुत कुछ हुआ है यहाँ पर with प्रशस्ति अरोरा, Palakshi Arora and Sunita Kapoor. I've had the opportunity to host shows where their crowd has been in thousands, close to 25,000 plus audience होती है. और जब हमने ये शामे गाना concept decide किया था, एक अजीब ही feeling थी जिस तरह से हर artist को होती है कि कैसे हम लोगों को जो आदत है the feel that we want to hear the singer or the presenter live, experience that little euphoria in the air. I think we've got all that here with all the technology and the support of all the presenters, the artists, Dr. Tushar Patel, Indus TV, PG, and of course everybody who's logged in and watching us live on Facebook and as well as on Zoom. I want to thank each one of you personally for taking out time, encouraging us to do more and bring the best of everybody around us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madhvi. It's been a pleasure meeting you, Tushar bhai. Thank you for inviting us. And I'm going to be reiterating what you just said that इंडिया में जो शोज करते थे उसमें हज़ारों से कम तो होते ही नहीं थे. कभी कभी कब 5,000 है, कब 10,000 है, कब 15,000 है. Sometimes those open air shows which go on all night, and it used to be just fabulous. That high that you get, you cannot get it with anything in the world. That's, as a musician, as a singer, I can feel that. वो थोड़ा सा missing था, लेकिन seeing all the comments over here, मुझे लगता है कि शायद थोड़ा सा वो high, definitely, we've been able to get that around. So I want to thank both of you, actually, Tushar bhai for reaching out to me, and Madhavi for being such a wonderful host, and it's just been a pleasure meeting you. And thank you to my audience, my fans, my students, their families. Thank you so much for joining in again, and we love you all, right? Okay.
Dr. Tushar Patel, it's your turn to say something.
Thank you so much, Sunita, and both your daughters. Wonderful evening. Thank you, Madhvi, as usual. 10th week in a row. Wonderful job hosting the show. Thank you so much. Shaame Gaana continues next week, again Friday.
Until then, stay safe, stay comfortable, and help somebody who's in need. Good night.
Thank you. Good night, everyone. Good night.